Types of ecosystems. The ecosystem can be classified into two major groups, that are natural ecosystem and artificial ecosystem. Again, the natural ecosystem divide into terrestrial ecosystem and aquatic ecosystem. The examples for the terrestrial ecosystems are grassland ecosystem, forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, and the aquatic ecosystem divide into two groups, that are freshwater ecosystem and marine water ecosystem. So, children, this is the classification of ecosystems. Let us learn deeply what are the ecosystems. Natural ecosystems. Natural ecosystems are found in nature without direct human design. There is no interference in the natural ecosystem. There is no human interference in the natural ecosystem. The example for the natural ecosystems are forest ecosystem, desert ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, mountain ecosystem and tundra ecosystem. Next, artificial ecosystems. Unlike the natural ecosystems, these artificial ecosystems are created or modified by humans. There is a lot of human interference in the artificial ecosystems. These ecosystems do not occur naturally, it requires human maintenance. Examples for the artificial ecosystems are agriculture fields, aquariums and gardens and parks. So, these are artificial ecosystems, means there is a lot of human interference and they require human maintenance. So, examples for the artificial ecosystems, first one is agriculture fields. Children, do you know what are agriculture fields? Do you see your surroundings any agriculture fields? Yes, in our surroundings many agriculture fields are there. They are the example for the artificial ecosystems. Next, aquariums. Have you ever seen aquariums? Yes, you so much like aquariums, no? Yes, aquariums are the artificial ecosystems. Actually, it is a water based ecosystem, but it is made up of humans. It is made by mans, that is why it is called artificial ecosystem. Next, garden and parks. Garden and parks are beautifully designed by human beings, that is why they are called artificial ecosystems. Have you ever visited any park or gardens? Yes, they have beautiful flowers. Gardens have beautiful flowers, beautiful plants, beautiful fruit plants. So, there are many flower plants are there in the parks and gardens. So, these are the artificial ecosystems, example for the artificial ecosystems.